Hey guys, welcome to my channel Bull Crypto Earnings. So guys, in last video I got the withdraw from the crypto tab, which is basically a mining app. You can mine your BTC on your phone as well as in your laptop. So guys, if you haven't checked my video, the link was in description. You can check it on my channel too. So guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you about the Shiba Inu token airdrop, which is totally for free, and this is the last airdrop by Shiba Inu officials. The first and second airdrop is already finished. This is the last airdrop. Guys, follow the step which I am doing in this video and watch the video till the end. And guys, airdrop link was in my description. You can click and directly go to a Telegram page. If you didn't have the Telegram app, you can download it from the Play Store. I am using in my window in BlueStack. BlueStack is basically a software which can run Android application. So let's start with this. So this is my Telegram. I already opened my Telegram, and that's my referral ID of that airdrop. I will refer you in my description, so you can check it out from there. And after this I will click on this link. Okay, that's a Shiba Inu airdrop. Let's restart this. So this is showing to you Shiba airdrop. You must be a member of news channel and payment. You have to join both channels, news channel and live payments. Let's join this channel first. News channel. I have joined this channel. This is basically a Shiba Inu official news channel, and this is a live payment. I will join this. This is a withdraw of the users which get the airdrop. Get back to Shiba Inu official airdrop, and I have joined these two channels, so I have clicked joined. So after this you will get this kind of screen in your mobile, and if you are doing in window you can see this type of screen. So let's start with the referral. If you click on referral, you will get your referral link. That's your referral link. You can share with your friends and family, and the total number of verified users will show here. You have to just copy this link and share to your family and friends. Per referral you get this much of SHIB tokens. Okay, let's come to that's your referral ID. You can just send to your friends and they will join with your link. I give this referral in my description. You can check it out. And let's come to the account session. When I click on account, my main account balance is this, and my referral is 0 now because I didn't refer anybody now. And your Shiba Inu wallet, so I didn't connect my wallet to this airdrop till now, so I will tell you how to connect your wallet with Shiba Inu airdrop. So if you click on wallet, you will get this. Your wallet address is not set. Use the button below to set the address. So if you want to set the address, you have to click the set Shiba wallet. And so when I click on the wallet, this message will come out. Enter your Shiba Inu wallet address. You can copy your Shiba Inu wallet address from your any exchange and copy here, and they will send you all the Shiba Inu tokens to your wallet address that you have to put here, and they will accept the wallet address, and then you can withdraw the Shiba Inu tokens. I didn't set the Shiba Inu wallet now, so they are showing that you need to set your Shiba Inu wallet address. So you have to set your wallet address first, then they will proceed to your withdrawal after setting your Shiba Inu wallet address. Let's come to the last thing, bonus. I have received this much of SHIB. That's a daily bonus. You can come and click on bonus and you get daily basis SHIB this much, and your balance is this. And after clicking on bonus, I received this message. I have received this much of SHIB and my total balance is now this. So you have to come on daily basis and collect this bonus. So they will add this bonus in your balance. And let's come to the stats. Okay, stats is not showing because I didn't enter my token address till now, so I will cancel change. Let's click on stats once again. Okay, so what's the message? They're showing that state of system is the start date. That's my starting date. That's my joining date. Running from 6 days. That airdrop is running from 6 days. I think after 10 days the airdrop will finished, and total user joined airdrop is this much, and total supply of ship is this much. That's the all thing about the airdrop. You can get airdrop, and do not forget to enter your wallet address here. And guys, if you want to join this airdrop, the link was in my description. Just click on this link and you will directly get to the Telegram page. Okay, and that's all for the video. I tell you all about the airdrop. That's genuine and real airdrop, and my friend also withdraw all the Shiba Inu tokens from this airdrop. And guys, if you have any kind of questions, so let me know in the comment section. And guys, in next video I'm going to show the withdrawal of this airdrop to my exchange. So for watching my next video, just share and subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. I hope you like my content, and I will share all the earning apps related to crypto. Keep watching and keep subscribe me. Thank you for watching this video.